Get ready for a fresh new option if you've been eyeing the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. Motorola is introducing a Mocha Mousse color variant, which is exciting because it is actually Pantone Mousse Color of the Year for 2025. The Mocha Mousse is set to join this lineup soon, giving buyers another appealing aesthetic choice. We've even seen exclusive images of this new version, confirming it'll maintain the familiar design with just this updated finish. Powering it all is a 5,200 mAh battery in most markets, while Indian users get a slightly larger 5,500 mAh battery. This new shade will simply be a cosmetic change, so don't expect any alterations to the phone's features or price. It comes loaded with Android 15 and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor globally, or the Dimensity 7400 if you're in India or Indonesia. You'll also have options for either 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, along with 256 GB or 512 GB of storage. Currently, you can snag the Edge 60 Fusion in some pretty cool colors, like Pantone, Amazonite, Slipstream, Zephyr, and Mykonos Blue. Just as a reminder, the Edge 60 Fusion itself boasts a vibrant 6.67-inch pulled AMOLED display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This looks to be a truly premium variant, featuring a sleek, crystal-studded design. Images of this enhanced version have already started circulating, giving us a peek at its luxurious appearance, though pricing details are still under wraps. Camera-wise, you're looking at a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP front-facing camera for those selfies. In other Motorola news, mark your calendars for August 5th, as that's when the company is set to unveil the Razor Swarovski edition. If you watched the entire video and enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel. AI and S Tech.